What are the development charges when buying a pre-construction condo in Toronto? Lots of my clients ask me this question, that what are they paying for in these development charges, where this money is going to be spent. My name is Laddi Dhillon, working as a realtor with Remax. So here's a short and straight explanation of the development charges. Development charges are the fees that a city collects from the developers or builders to help pay for growth-related capital costs for the following municipal services. These services are subway extension, transit, roads, water, sanitary sewer, storm water management, parks and recreation, library, subsidized housing, shelter, police, fire, paramedic services, development-related studies, civic improvements, childcare, health, and pedestrian infrastructure. So basically we can say these development charges pretty much go towards the overall improvement of the infrastructure of the city. I hope now you know what the development charges are in any pre-construction condo purchase. I'll be back with some more real estate related info soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.